At the Charleston County Sheriff's Office, we share a sense of community pride and a determination in the vision of ensuring Charleston County remains among the most livable places in the United States. The Charleston County Sheriff's Office is a world-class law enforcement agency committed to the values of enhancing public trust by creating a diverse and inclusive agency focused on community, accountability, and equality for all of our residents and our stakeholders. We continue to creatively challenge our capabilities and encourage progress through initiative and innovation. September 13, 2022. CCSO arrests barricaded subject with 40 warrants. Charleston County Sheriff's Office deputies on Tuesday arrested a man with 40 active warrants after he barricaded himself in a North Charleston home for hours. Members of CCSO's Warrants Unit and officers from partner agencies on Tuesday morning responded to an apartment complex at 2245 Green Ridge Road in North Charleston. They arrived before 7 a.m. and made contact with a female resident. Their attempts to contact anyone else inside were unsuccessful, but the wanted man was believed to be barricaded in the home. The deputies issued multiple commands for the man to come out. After obtaining a search warrant, SWAT team members entered the home about 1 p.m. and encountered the man hiding in a bedroom. The man resisted arrest, and deputies deployed K9 Rex. The dog apprehended the man, and the deputies detained him. It was K9 Rex's third successful apprehension of a barricaded subject this year. Kane-1 James, 24, was taken to a hospital for treatment of bite wounds to an arm. After his release from the hospital, he will be booked at the Alcannon Detention Center on the existing warrants and an additional charge of resisting arrest. No other injuries were reported in the incident. James' 10 warrants through CCSO include multiple counts of unlawfully carrying a pistol, failure to stop for blue lights, possession with attempt to distribute narcotics, habitual traffic offender and driving under suspension. James also had 30 active warrants from 3 other agencies in South Carolina. August 10, 2022. Man arrested after West Ashley home invasion. Deputies from the Charleston County Sheriff's Office responded about 7 a.m. Wednesday to a report of a home invasion on North Dallerton Circle in West Ashley. It was determined that a man had attempted to carjack victims near a business in the Charleston Police Department's jurisdiction before fleeing to a neighborhood in CCSO's jurisdiction. The man first confronted a juvenile resident with a gun and forced his way into the home, where a total of 4 children and 2 adults live. A resident called 911. The parents got into a confrontation with the intruder. During a struggle, the father forced the man to drop the gun, which the mother took outside with the children. The father forced the man into a room and also went outside with officers already on scene. CCSO deputies, city police officers and other law enforcement partners responded to the home. The man surrendered after 8 a.m. and was arrested. The father was treated at the scene for injuries. The suspect was transported to a hospital for treatment of non-life-threatening injuries. D'Angelo Dontrell Brown, 28, was booked later Wednesday at the Alcannon Detention Center on charges of first-degree burglary, first-degree assault, and battery and possession of a firearm during a violent crime. He is expected to have a bond hearing Thursday, February 2, 2022. Wanted person Kevin Laval Thompson. The Charleston County Sheriff's Office, CCSO, is searching for a man they say should be considered armed and dangerous who is wanted on multiple charges. Kevin Laval Thompson, 24, is wanted for possession of a firearm by a person convicted of a violent crime, unlawful carrying of a handgun, threatening the life of a public official, possession with the intent to distribute marijuana, and resisting arrest. According to CCSO, Thompson was pulled over January 29 for a traffic stop. Deputies found 165 grams of marijuana and a firearm in his vehicle. Thompson fought and threatened a deputy before eventually evading capture. CCSO says that Thompson should be considered armed and dangerous. Anyone with information should contact CCSO at 843-743-7200. Update February 22, 2022. The Charleston County Sheriff's Office took Thompson into custody this afternoon at an apartment complex at 523 Orangeburg Road in the Somerville area. Acting on intelligence, deputies went to the complex, where Thompson initially refused to emerge from an apartment. He eventually surrendered after a nearly 2-hour standoff. Thompson was later booked into the Alcannon Detention Center. Dorchester County deputies assisted CCSO with the arrest. March 25, 2024. CCSO deputies makes arrest in weekend assault. The Charleston County Sheriff's Office arrested Johnny D'Angelo Wilson Jr., 36, of Hollywood, around 9 p.m. on Sunday, March 24, 2024. Wilson is charged with attempted murder regarding an assault that took place in West Ashley earlier in the weekend. Deputies responded to a call of an assault in the 3600 block of Savannah Highway shortly before 10 p.m. Saturday, March 23, 2024. The suspect and victim were gone on arrival. Deputies received a follow-up call to Roper St. Francis Hospital from the victim around 2 a.m. Sunday, March 24, 2024. The Charleston County Sheriff's Office Criminal Investigations Division was immediately notified. Upon further investigation, deputies were able to arrest Wilson at a motel in the 7500 block of Stafford Road in North Charleston Sunday night. Equality before the law, also known as equality under the law. Equality in the eyes of the law, legal equality, or legal egalitarianism, is the principle that all people must be equally protected by the law. The rule of law is a political ideal that all citizens and institutions within a country, state, or community are accountable to the same laws, including lawmakers and leaders. It is sometimes stated simply as no one is above the law.